Okay.
Too far away, I think.
There you go. Oh, you almost had another fail.
Okay. Heavy power. Heavy power for a light job.
Hey, that's the American way. Doesn't work, get a bigger hammer. Don't, hey, we have to walk on that floor.
Well, there's a damn thing there that I tripped over.
Don't pick up the stairs.
Well, we need those for the upstairs yet.
Yeah, it's like having a 4-wheel drive John Deere to pull a dump cart. Isn't it? What's wrong with that? Because it hit me in the elbow, that's what.
Gotta come down from upstairs. Okay, go for it.
That was good. That one flew.
One of these times like going. You know, you're at the wrong angle from it, right?
Upward works.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Oops. That almost worked.
Let's check the whole fucking roof out there.
We gotta get the
Oh, hang up, no, you don't want to do that right now.
What? Take it on camera.
Yeah, so what we were going for, we were gonna knock down this piece of the wall, but what we didn't realize is that it's holding up some of the roof out here. So we had to take those suckers out first. That is why the roof shook.
Let's not do that right now.
Not yet, but we'll get there.
I want a sledge.
Have one?
And I want beer, so what?
What's that?
I need a sledgehammer.
We'll get one.
Do we have access to any sledgehammers?
Grandma went to the shed with Joshua.
Ooh.
We got 3 of them!
Oh, we only need 2.
Sledgehammers would be more fun anyway.
Hell yeah.
Definitely have more power.
More weight to them.
More control.
Yes. Instead of a battering ram.
Hey, that was fun while it lasted.
Did the handle break off yet?
Now what we gotta do is as soon as we get to the sledges, put a notation on. Then we got smart.
What are you gonna do?
What are you doing?
Matthew, hold on.
Rachel.
Look how shaky it is. Just a little.
Barely even.
Jeez.
Grandma, can I move your road? Keep going. Ready?
Yeah.
That piece is down. Back up.
Jeez. Hey! Not towards me, you sucker! That's why we invented something called Zoom.
That would be a beautiful Okay.
I never got to go in there. I had to flash it. How big of an area was it? Just the hole, or was it? So you had a hole underneath the steps? Oh, was it kind of hollow?
Scary.
Oh, really?
Get away!
Everybody out!
Twice. Wait, what?
No.
I want that thing. Wait, yo.
No, it's just me.
Grandma wants that thing. long one.
Got a good vantage point here.
Right against the wall. The rest of it?
What are you talking about? I'm inside the wall. What are you?
Yeah, that's
Whoa.
safe.
Now make it.
It's safe?
No. Get out of the way.
Looks like antlers. Don't.
You got a demolition permit? That thing didn't even slow down my hammer.
Ready? Go!
I don't see anything.
Walk too close to that.
Hey, your mom goes in there anyway.
Cut! Time out!
Oh my God. That's why we're staying away. Locked up.
What the heck?